that we shall not allow any cabinet secretary, however powerful you think you are, however mighty you may perceive yourself, to hold the people's representatives with contempt and the institution of parliament. We will do whatever it takes, Honorable Speaker, and all members of the cabinet know what it can take to protect the constitutional mandate of this House and of Parliament. When I look at the questions that these members are asking, these are issues of grave concern to the people. And for a cabinet secretary to write a letter to say she is engaged in official business which you don't even define. Honorable Speaker, let me disclose, I have just spoken to her on phone, yes, and she's telling me she was going to inaugurate a board of NITA, National Industrial Training, something that she can reschedule within her own ministry. But the House sittings cannot be rescheduled to suit the whims of cabinet secretaries. And we will not allow that, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, none other than President William Ruto has made it clear in public, and I am certain even in cabinet meetings, that the House, the business of the House takes precedence over any other business. And that is the tradition of Parliament. When you are a cabinet secretary and you're invited to Parliament, that is the business that takes precedence over any other official engagements. Not NITA, not attending funerals, not attending weddings. Whether you're in Mombasa, wherever you are, we don't care. Come attend to the concerns of the people. And we must make it clear to this cabinet secretary, Honorable Speaker. And as majority leader, I will never stand here to defend a cabinet secretary or indeed any member of government who is contemptuous of the House and contemptuous of the people of Kenya. Honorable Speaker, the President himself has even committed that he shall never hold a cabinet meeting on a Wednesday afternoon because he wants cabinet secretaries to appear before the House, not for us to come and admire them, for them to come and be accountable to the people, because the President has every intent on ensuring that his cabinet and his administration is accountable to the people. Honorable Speaker, the minister tells me when I call her that she can appear here at 7, and I told her it is not your business to schedule when to appear. It is the business of the House to summon you when the people want to summon you. Honorable Speaker, I said I must say this because the Honorable Florence Bore goes to the record of this House as the first cabinet secretary to fail to appear before the House. It is not a good record, but it must go on record. She is the first cabinet secretary in the history of the